All of you should know me by now. I am DP Robertson. For years, it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I've spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And recently, I announced that we have partnered with Will from Will Trades to create a futures and prop firm training division shoot off of the Academy of Forex. With over 6 years of experience, Will is not only a profitable but knowledgeable trader. And through his Discord, he teaches people how to become just as profitable every single day as he coaches them, teaches them, and trades with them right side by side, calling out exactly where he's taking his trades. You can find a link to his Discord down below in the description. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a 5-day free trial, as well as access to his Discord and access to the Academy of Forex Discord with all the benefits that go with that as well. This is going to be a daily trading recap video, so let's go ahead and jump right into that video.
All right, let's get volume here. No way it's going to like touch it and then come. All right, got filled. Stop loss for me is low of candle low right here. Let's actually get something. TP is literally really tight. It's going to be at 19,143. I'll do 19,144. Move my stop up a little bit to 19,109. Moving my stop up now to 19,113. Now break even stop. At break even stop, guys. If this wants to come all the way back down and stop me out, I don't care. But do you guys see this, right? I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this. We push, but the next candle is so weak. All right, there we go. Come on. Give us something. There we go. There we go. I'm out. Finally hit something, dude. So what's up, guys? I just showed you guys the actual live trade that I took that made me that $500 profit. So let me go ahead and break down what that trade was, how I was able to identify that, and break it down step by step. So the first thing that I saw, if we go on over here, is market. First thing I always tell you guys is, what is the trend? What is the overall direction of the market? And the market moves in 3 ways: higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, and consolidation. So obviously what is happening in this area, we are obviously overall in an uptrend. We're making higher highs, higher lows, lower and higher lows, right? So we can see here's a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, high, higher high, and higher high, right? So I'm looking for a long position. So when you guys saw the recorded trade, we were currently right here. And I said, okay, if we can break above this high, I will most likely get out at next break, which actually I got out at 19,138 on the recording. And how did I know to actually get out right here? And then we quickly sold off very aggressively. Well, that's where the bigger time frames come into play, and how we actually can identify that is by going to see the previous past levels. So if I go to a bigger time frame, here's the 1 hour, and we can see, actually let me go to a 30-minute. I think that'll help you guys a little better here. And we can zoom in here. This was the highest point that we touched, and we actually see that my algo says we have a trend that touched to the T before we sold right off. And if we actually move on over to right here, we can see that all these areas is what? Resistance. So when we hit these key levels of interest, what's going to happen? Sellers step into the market and push price down. And that's how I knew to get out at that level. A quick scalp, again, it was only a $500 move, but a $500 move in less than 2 minutes, I think is a pretty nice trade. And that's exactly how I broke it down. Again, later in the day, you guys can see that we just sold off, and now we're just in really bad consolidation. Because of that, we took 1 or 2 trades a day. We finished, and now we just step off, walk away, and enjoy the rest of our day. And that is why we love trading, and that is why I love to do this every single day. We get in, we make our money, and then we finish and go to the next day. So I hope that breakdown was good. I hope you guys enjoyed that live recording, and I'll see every single one of you guys in the next one.
All right, so now that you've seen how simple it is to become a profitable trader, as Will not only teaches you, but calls out those trades in real time, exactly where he is taking them and how he is taking them. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 5-day trial where you can join us as we are taking those trades in real time and see exactly how great the community is over on Will's Discord. And again, make sure you use the link down below in the description. That way you can get access to both the Discords and all the benefits that come with that. And we will see you on the inside.